In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix mirrors to a wall without any brackets. Remove the plastic backing off the rear of the mirror. Mark it into position. Apply your Max Bond right the way around all the edges and throughout the centre. Place it against the wall, applying an equal amount of pressure across the whole area of the mirror. It'll instantly grab, but it's wise to put a little bit of tape at the top and bottom until it completely cures. Fixing mirrors to the wall without a bracket is simple with Max Bond. So that's how quick, easy and safe it is to fit mirrors to the wall. If you're looking for more how-to videos, just check out our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.